This epic 400 horsepower RZR Pro R turbo build is one of the craziest we've done at Fueled UTV. Well, the Pro R is back because it might have been too crazy. Let's just say there was an incident where the Pro R ended up on its side. Not quite a full rollover, but pretty close. While fixing the damage, our guys pulled off some huge upgrades, including a new cage, suspension work, and more. Let's jump back to the shop and get to work.
It's so clean.
Should have just zip tied it to the outside.
Should have zip tied it. What are we doing?
With a back parts where you need two people.
Let's lower it.
Yeah, let's lower it.
Take the springs off.
It does look pretty good. Austin, tell me about the new cage.
This cage's sick, dude. Straight from ABF. I like their products. They got heavy duty products. Okay, we're gonna do this again.
This is heavier. All right, it's been about a week and progress on the Pro R project is now picking up steam again. We had to wait for a bunch of parts to come in. We had to wait for the powder coat on the new cage to get finished, and now we're back at it. Was the cage a little tricky to put on the second time, or was it just hard the first time?
I figured the trick out the first time.
Yeah?
The second time around, way easier.
Nice. All right, Austin, explain.
Oh, so these are shocks,
Okay.
and inside these shocks, there's valving.
Okay.
Stock valving sucks. We rely on MTS for the best valving.
Nice. We got a healthy rivalry going on here. It's good.
Jake said he wants to do shocks for the rest of his career at Fueled UTV.
Sneak up on you.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, we got it on video. Yeah, dude.
That's a clean one.
Oh,
That's a clean
snap.
one.
Beyond our awesome one-stop shop website, we also want to build out this channel to help answer your UTV questions, inspire you on what your machine can be, and spread the good news of our sport to the world. So hit the like and subscribe button, leave us a comment about what types of UTV videos you want to see from us. The MTS full suspension tune is now complete and reinstalled, turned out excellent. We also have NRP high volume end caps. We have a dedicated video about those if you want to know about the benefits of that. Now, there were tons of other smaller upgrades that I didn't capture on camera, so let's cover all those in rapid fire, starting with the Sector 7 mirrors. Now, these are awesome. We put them on tons of our own shop builds, and also our customers seem to love them as well. Obviously, they're great for driving on the road, and also they add tons of really bright light. The ABF cage turned out great, and now you can kind of see it in its final form. We have an ABF windshield up front, ABF roof, and there are some happy surprises as well, including the SSV Works speaker pods fit in this cage. Even though it's lower profile, they do squeeze in there, which is awesome. Also, we originally had that crossbar there that's originally supposed to be a speaker bar. Well, in our case, it's not going to be a speaker bar, it's going to be an intercooler protection bar, because it does clear the Evo intercooler just barely. So we have the same Moto Armor doors as before. We replaced that door because it was damaged. Same door on this side because it was fine, but now we've added DRT Motorsports door bags, which add a little bit extra storage, and I think they look pretty darn cool. While we had it, the guys did an oil change and full inspection to make sure that the engine, the turbo, all of this is still in excellent shape after the incident, which thankfully everything is good to go. To round out all the other DRT Motorsports parts that are already on this vehicle, we now have the ABS fender kit. These look great, especially once the final steps are completed, and they're going to protect the body from getting a lot of dirt, mud, and sand all over it. Now you might be thinking, guys, this does not look complete. And you would be right, because this beast is getting a full vinyl wrap. Let's jump forward in time through the magic of editing and reveal the Pro R in its final form. Austin, I hear that this wrap is going to make a statement.
It's going to be a bold statement. I'll tell you that much. Nice.
One of the best things about building a UTV is how you can customize it to your specific taste. None of these end up the same, and we're happy to help our customers realize their dream build. Drop a like and subscribe for informative videos, UTV builds, and insane adventures. Until next time, I'm Jason with Fueled UTV, and I'll see you out on the trail.